for the drums?
Yeah.
So seriously, just pet me.
There's a hole in my bedspread.
But we're still covering it.
This bedspread.
Ignore my scarf. I just did. I don't know what the official name of that braid is. We're calling it inside out. Look.
Hey, ignore Finn's dandruff. It's that inside out kind. I did pretty good on it. Kind of look up a little bit. Well, I'm not that high, Finn. I like it, Finn.
I'm super scurvy. Oh my gosh. Taco Bell is giving away free tacos today.
On our favorite kind of tacos.
You don't even have to buy anything. You don't have to buy
And
anything.
it's per person.
Per person. We're getting 3 free tacos. Straight up, we just said we want the free taco. Okay? I made a yummy keto thing.
Seriously, can we just say how yummy and gorgeous that looks? Yummo.
So your never-ending homework today. Jacob took the girls to get more free tacos. And I'm gonna eat.
It's midnight and Ava's sitting on the counter acting weird.
It's like 11:30.
And guess what this?
It doesn't feel like April. I looked out the window.
Can you see it? Snowy. Wonder if it's gonna stick. It's snowing quite a bit.
So shocked. I was so shocked when I looked out the window and it was snowing, Ava. And I want to eat something, so I'm going to. Did Dad? Yes, I'm gonna eat asparagus.
Asparagus? A while later and straight up. Snow. It's even sticking a little bit to Fancy.
Oh my gosh. Let's go to the chiropractor. I've been going to the chiropractor. It really does help. So we're hoping it helps her shoulder. Her stupid shoulder! Are you nervous?
No.
They're not going to do
Just
anything
doing
today. Yeah. Are you nervous for when they actually pop you?
Nah, I've popped my bones enough.
You're probably not supposed to.
I pop my bones all the time.
What bones do you pop?
All my fingers, my wrists, my jaw.
Jaw.
Yeah, my jaw. And I pop my neck and my toes and my feet, like my ankles. And sometimes I can pop my back. Mom, guess what? Hey, guess what this girl gets tomorrow? Milk! She loves
I've been hearing this scratching sound on my ceiling, like it sounds like from a scary movie, doesn't it, bud? Like a when there's somebody in your wall scratching. It's so freaky. And it happened this morning, and I banged the broom on the ceiling, and it quit. Well, then it started again. There's something in our ceiling. And of course, Jake's not here. We found an opening and where the siding is, so, and I think it's probably the birds. There are birds going in our porch over here.
I feel like it has
And-
claws.
Well, birds have little claws. And Jacob blocked the entrance so they couldn't go in there anymore. Because, our siding's not done yet, and so I think they found another hole. And by the way, it's freezing cold. We're supposed to get 1,000,000 inches of snow. It's freezing.
Here we go. That's what Dad's doing. How do you feel, Dad? There's Dad. I want to see. Is he gonna jump? Dad, get a flashlight. Get a flashlight. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know what to do. There's a hole, and now Dad has to climb in the attic. This is turning into a lot bigger project than we thought it would be. Okay. Wow, actually.
This is crazy. Okay, so you know the noise we heard earlier. Jacob got home and crawled up in the attic. Sure enough, there is a freaking crazy... That is the bird.
That is the bird.
There is a bird. Jacob got the bird
Dad, are
out
you
of the
looking
attic.
around?
There is
So
a bird
you're in the
here.
closet?
We are
Don't
about,
let it back in the attic.
We are about to open the door and let the bird
That
out.
is him. Hear him? Hear his wings?
Oh my
I'm scared to death. I'm scared to flipping death.
Jacob, so after we
That
open
is
the
my
door,
room.
are you coming down? Oh my god.
I'm gonna just run. I'm just gonna run. No, don't leave me alone. No!
Go! Okay. Jacob, we're gonna open the door.
We need to hide.
Hurry up. Go do it, bud. Go. Ava, go. Okay. We're gonna see the bird come.
Mom, I'm going in your room.
Oh my god, if you can.
The door's open. Move. Is this a good idea? Is this the right thing to do?
I didn't even see it. The bird came out of the closet. It was black.
Did I get up? Okay.
No, don't open it.
Shush. Shush. Is your dad in there? Shh. Jacob?
It's on the TV stand.
Don't kill it. Don't kill
No,
it.
don't be mean to him.
Open those windows.
No, honey, there's screens.
Where is he?
Where is he?
Wait, let me see. Can I see?
He's there. We're gonna poop everywhere, Jacob.
Oh.
Is he hurt?
I don't know.
Is he hurt?
That's scary. I've never been that close to a bird.
Open the bucket. Open the bucket. Open it. Run. Open the bucket.
Oh my god.
Oh, you said the night.
Throw that badminton thing away.
No.
I don't want to touch a bird. It might have rabies.
It could have rabies, Dad. Don't get sick.
Oh, I kind of feel bad.
I think he is hurt.
Does he have babies?
Oh, don't go that way. Go into the bucket.
Oh my god.
He can't really fly.
He's injured. Dad, whacking isn't gonna give me.
Flying over here. Out.
Where?
Jacob.
Wash that out. Wash that out.
He didn't even go in it.
No, wash it.
He didn't even go in it. Put your phone back.
Now we need to like cover everything up.
Is there bird poop? Yeah, now Jake, how did he get in there?
So, you know those pieces that Robbie's gonna put plywood over? I think he flew into that.
Can I let her baby in?
Snowed. Again. There is a lot of snow. It's starting to melt already though. Good grief. Look at this. 8 inches of snow yesterday. Super nice out. Ava's, are the girls? Get it again, bird!
Right there.
All right, tank top showing the muscles. But Bubby, aren't you hot, kind of?
Oh, not real.
3, 4, 5, 6. Spin, get it! Oh! I'm gonna ignore my scurve. I am making that frothy coffee. Have you guys seen that? So what I did, I made it keto style. So round 2. This time I did 1 tablespoon of this, half a cup of hot water. It looks pretty good. And then I did 10 drops of this liquid stevia. So let's try this. Ice in the cup, same milk. I'm just gonna make 1 this time. Okay. And I also whisked this one by hand too. I wonder if I did too much milk. Then I'm gonna get a straw. Good. So I added some more.
It's not terrible. It's not super sweet. So I wonder if Jacob would want it more sweet. Should I add some more drops of this stevia to his? Let me taste it. Add a little bit more milk. And I'm gonna add a few more drops of this stevia. Can I do it with one hand? I can't. 1, 2. It's not terrible. Let's go see what he thinks.
Found an Easter egg.
Oops.
I found 2 of them actually.
I did less coffee. I used different sweetener.
I like this a lot better.
But do you like it?
I mean, I would drink it.
But it's not your favorite. What would make it better? More coffee, less coffee, more sweet, less sweet. What would make it better for you?
Crushed up ice.
So like put it in the blender?
Yeah.
Constable. Is that what it's called? Constitutional.
Quarantine walk. AKA.
Quarantine constitutional. It's breezy to death.
Yeah, it's cold out here.
It's very breezy. But it is pretty. I thought you were going to complain about the sun.
No.
It's so pretty, except for these nasty kids being nuts.